Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Twitter/X ads personalization and interest targeting, detailed guide step by step clearly. To disable Twitter ads personalization, start by opening your Twitter app or website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to your profile icon in the top left corner. On the app, tap on Settings and Privacy. On the website, click on More from the sidebar menu, then select Settings and Privacy. Look for the Privacy and Safety section within the Settings menu. In the Privacy and Safety section, find and click on Ads Preferences. You'll see personalized ads at the top of the Ads Preferences page. Toggle off the option for personalized ads. Next, check the section titled Interests. Under this section, you will find various topics Twitter thinks may interest you. You can scroll through these options and deselect any interests you no longer want to receive ads about. Additionally, return to the Privacy and Safety menu and select Data Sharing and Ads. Here, you can manage your ad settings related to third-party data. You may want to uncheck any options that allow Twitter to use data from other sources for ad targeting. Once you've made your changes, exit the settings. Finally, it's important to regularly check your ad preferences to maintain your desired settings. That's how you can disable ads personalization and interest targeting on Twitter. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.